Hi guys! Our today's tutorial is about linking a YouTube channel to a Facebook page. Well, we all know that Facebook is by far one of the best social media marketing platforms. Thus, connecting our YouTube account to our Facebook page will really help boost our channel. It will also help us gain more views and possible subscribers. If you're interested to know how to do it, watch this video now. First, log into your Facebook account. On the search bar, type in YouTube tab. Then click on the first icon from the results. It will now direct you to the application page. Tap Use App. It will now install the application. Just wait for the application to be installed. It will take a few seconds to finish. After a successful installation, you can now select the page where you want to add a YouTube tab to. So click on the drop down and choose your selected Facebook page. After that, go to Page Settings, tap on Templates and Tabs, and on the right side, you'll see that YouTube tab has already been added. Drag it on top, just right below the Home tab. Now go back to the home page, click on the YouTube tab beside home. It will ask for your YouTube channel ID. Just paste it in the box and hit save. After you've done that, you will now see your YouTube videos under the YouTube tab on your Facebook page. It will give your audience the option to watch it on YouTube. The call to action is also there, so your audience can subscribe to your YouTube channel through your Facebook page, and they can also comment on the videos as well as share it to their wall. So that is the end of our tutorial today, guys. I hope you learned something. Thank you for your time. You have a great day and keep safe, all right?